You've heard that finding the right products to sell on Etsy can make or break your success, right? But how do you know what to sell before actually starting to create your products and before starting your Etsy shop, especially if you're a beginner? To seemingly get it right from the very first time, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will walk you through the exact process you need to follow to find trending products that people want to buy, plus finding the right keywords for them to add them to your listings, titles, description, and tags, so your Etsy products can rank in search and get sold even if you're a beginner and have a new Etsy shop. By the end of this video, you will learn how to get your first Etsy sale without having to invest in ads and how to keep that momentum going and grow your shop and your business. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why keyword research matters when it comes to building an Etsy shop. If you're creating products that people don't want to buy, then they will not sell. It is pretty simple. But with the right research strategy, you will uncover exactly what people are typing in the search bar and are trying to find on Etsy, but also things that matter to them in terms of colors, designs, and more. And that is the best secret to selling products that people actually want to buy on Etsy. So before you create anything, you need to understand, what are people searching for? What is trending? And how much competition is there really? That is where keyword research comes in. You need to focus on keywords that have high search volume but low competition, so you can create products that have a real shot at standing out and getting sold. And for step number 2, I suggest using EverBee as your keyword research tool. This research tool has helped me in many ways when creating my Etsy listings. It makes it so easy to understand what people are searching for on Etsy, what they want to buy, and exactly the type of products that they want to buy, not only broad terms. So let me show you what EverBee is all about and how you can use it for your Etsy shop. EverBee is a powerful product research tool designed specifically for Etsy sellers. It shows you things like search volume, competition, and trending products. Basically, everything you need to know before you create a product. So here's how you get started with EverBee. You sign up to EverBee using the link in the description. You have a free trial available. And then you need to download the EverBee Chrome extension and pin it to your browser. Once it's installed, you can head over to Etsy and start browsing. EverBee integrates directly with Etsy, so as you search for different product ideas, you'll be able to see keyword stats like monthly search volume, competition level, and more. So let me show you how it works. For example, if I type in logo template, you will see that it is a pretty broad term with high competition and not a ton of search volume. But don't give up just yet. This is where narrowing down your niche can make all the difference. Instead of logo template, try something more specific like silver Canva logo template or Canva logo template gold for beauty brands. You'll see a lot less competition, and trust me, that is where the magic happens. Another thing you can do is find best-selling products. So EverBee doesn't just help with keywords, it also shows you what's trending on Etsy and what products are being sold right now. So that means you can spy on the competition and see what's selling, so you can know what designs and what products you can start creating for your own shop. When you look at other shops or other products, you'll see detailed stats like when the products were listed, how much it's earning per month, total sales, and trends over time. This gives you an incredible advantage because you can see what's already working in your niche. You don't have to guess or hope. You know exactly what's selling. For example, if you're thinking about selling digital planners, you can use EverBee to see which types are making the most money. Let's say you find that Notion planners for entrepreneurs are trending, but competition is fierce. You can narrow it down to Notion planners for freelance writers or Notion planners for social media managers. Less competition, but still high demand. I keep talking about Notion planners in these videos, I know, but it is a new platform, it is trending, and everybody wants on it, and everybody wants to spend less time working on it, but without having to create their own planners. So this is why this is a trending product, and you won't be for long because the competition is already starting to come in. So if you want to start creating planners, do so, but again, remember to narrow it down, and you can use EverBee to learn exactly how you can narrow it down and which keywords you want to add to your product's listing. And the next step is to optimize your listings to actually get sales. You need to include a bunch of keywords written naturally in your Etsy product title, in your product description, and in the tags. So don't go to other listings and just copy their tags. The tags and keywords that you're using need to be specific to your product. So here's a breakdown on how you can do that. You can use EverBee to find the best keywords with high search volume and low competition. Include these keywords naturally in your title and description. Then for your title, your product title should be clear, detailed, and packed with keywords. Instead of just Notion Planner, try Notion Planners for Entrepreneurs, Daily Task Manager, and Goal Tracker. For tags, Etsy allows up to 13 tags per product. Use them all. Include variations of keywords, long tail phrases, and anything else that is relevant to your product. For photos, your thumbnails is the first thing that buyers see, so make it count. Look at the best-selling products in your niche and pay attention to how they present their images. Keep them clean, professional, and make sure they highlight the key benefits of your product. And then the next thing is to stay consistent and keep creating products. You cannot treat Etsy as a side hustle because it will earn you like a side hustle. If you're serious about growing this, you need to keep researching new products every day, post new products every day, or at least 3 to 5 times a week. The more active your shop is, the more experience you'll gain, the better the products you'll create, and the more products that will show up in Etsy search. And also, don't forget to build your brand on social media platforms outside of Etsy as well. You can use Pinterest for that as well, Instagram, TikTok, and more, because that is how you create a sustainable long-term business. So now you know exactly how to find the best trending products on Etsy and the keywords that you need to use to optimize those listings. If you're serious about seeing those sales rolling in, definitely give EverBee a try. It has changed my Etsy strategy and I'm sure it will change yours. Make sure to use the link in the description to try EverBee for free. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to watch these next for more information. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.